The report module allows quantities to be extracted in adjustable reports. Reports are various. You can generate summary reports, worksheet with detailed expressions, or summary index table with versatile settings. Let's start with basic commands in the ribbon. The first two in the left help to define the scope of your reports. You can exclude quantities from certain floors or make quantities of a specific element type to be shown in the reports. Moving on, display is where you can adjust the report format while editing. Export to Excel and print are the place you should be looking for when reports are all done and ready to export. The left part lists all the reports created, consisting of 3 report types: quantity summary, quantity measurement, worksheet, and index summary analysis. When you start the report module for the first time, you would find there are already existing reports in the built-in format, which should mostly satisfy your needs. If you find any particular circumstance, all of those reports could be customized as well. Quantity summary summarizes the quantities by element type. Let's create a new report, for example. Click Set Element Type and Quantify to specify which element types you would like to include in the report. Here you can select multiple element types. We could create a report of concrete using a column, beam, wall, and a slab. Next, select the quantities which you look for in the report. Here, we get the public quantities that exist in all selected element types. Then, we can move on to the main part. We can place any quantities, no matter public or private, into any column or rows. Here we are showing you a clear and concise template that is commonly used. Remember to use preview format to quickly check the format if that is what you want. The template for Formwork quantity summary is similar to the one we use for concrete. We can get what we want by firstly selecting all the columns, beams, walls and slabs again, and secondly by specifying which quantities should be included for Formwork. Most of the time, quantity takeoff requires considerable cross-checking and in-depth examination. Here we have quantity measurement worksheets, which provide details of all the deductions and expressions. You can check quantities in the expression report or create a detailed calculation and deductions of any specific element type. It is all up to your scenario. Finally, index summary analysis helps you to quickly check quantities in terms of different aspects. The first, single unit concrete index table, shows the concrete price per square meterage of different element types or floors. The second, project overall index, allows you to check the project quantities in general. For concrete, we get quantities used for wall, column, beams and slab. As for formwork, door and windows and others, we get approximate quantities automatically calculated in each column. Concrete grade index and steel ratio are where you can quickly obtain quantities of different materials used.